Well up. I know you'll be wondering what got me in this situation, the reason why I am trying so hard not to cry on camera. But you know what? Just watch through so you will find out the reason. Thank you. So this is my first time doing a day in my life vlog. That's why I tagged it episode 1, because we've been doing cooking. So guys, watch through. Your girl has been passing through a lot. I've been dealing with toothache all this while. I have hole here, so we're on our way to hospital to know either to fill or to remove the teeth. It has not been easy. Those that have been crying have been in pains. Toothache is nobody's mate. You guys can see how swollen my cheek is looking. We decided to visit Zone 36 Dental Clinic here in Abuja to know exactly what's wrong with me. So just watch through and also listen to the conversation between myself and the doctors. Okay, you've seen the name, right? So guys, they took me into their surgical room to find out the teeth that has been disturbing, and it happens to be my wisdom tooth. It is not standing like the rest of the teeth, so they booked me for an appointment the upper week surgical teeth removal. And today they say that I have another of my teeth that there is small hole, but instead of it to affect me in the future, that they need to do intense cleaning in order to remove any particles in that particular hole and also to fill it. So that was what I did on this particular day: intense cleaning and filling. Yeah, so at this junction, like, they are done doing the intense cleaning and filling, I was already tired, so they took me to another surgical room where the nurse is actually advising me on how to brush my teeth to avoid occurrence of teeth problem.
To do important and good jobs in your mouth, they'll see the food, they'll eat it, and the toxins they'll release will cause harm.
So guys, watch out for my surgical teeth removal video that is coming up now. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are we all doing? Thank you guys for clicking on this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and to my first time viewer, thank you for stopping by. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So today your girl is going for dental appointment. I've been dealing with this toothache for long, so I'm going for surgical removal today. As you know now, toothache is nobody's mate. We used to have 32 teeth. I think I'm going to have 31 very soon. So guys, I'll keep you guys updated. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also pray for me. Thank you so much. Bye, and stay tuned. See you in my next video. And if you've not watched my previous videos, please do so. If you've not subscribed, please do like, comment, help my ministry. Thank you. So guys, this is like 1 week after my intense teeth cleaning and filling. I had to report back 1 week later for the surgical tooth removal of my wisdom tooth. And when I was making my video, I found out that there's one of my colleague there, a YouTuber, doing her things. Money must be made. Yeah, so I was taken into surgical room for proper examination again before we start. But before then, they gave me a payment slip to go and make some payments, which is what I was doing here. And after the payment, they took me inside their surgical room, so they will start. At this junction, I was already tense because I'm going to get some cuts and they're going to stitch it. So when I entered the room, I said asking my doctor some questions, and he was explaining and giving me assurance that nothing's going to happen, that it's going to go well.
Actually, but you come back on next week after 1 week.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
So if you come back, we'll see if it's still there. We'll remove it for you. but it's dissolvable actually.
I'm afraid though.
About what exactly? Let me know your fear.
People are
I
going
will
to tear
tackle
my
it for you.
teeth.
That's just the fear.
Yes.
Now let me give you guarantee, You will not.
When I saw this surgical blade, because I already know the use, my heart started beating so fast. Like, so they brought this consent form for me to sign. I was like, this one you guys are giving me consent form. Is it not going to be successful? Am I going to die? Because anything consent from like is going to be 50-50, that you are giving them consent to go ahead and all that. So I was like, you guys should take it to my guy, because he came with me. He was doing his teeth polishing and teeth polishing, because you need to be polishing your teeth now like twice every year. They said that he's still doing it. So I had to like write my name, my date of birth, and also write his own name. I later handed them the consent form to go and give him for him to sign, which they did. At this junction, my heart is already beating so fast. Like, I was between dead and alive, because I've never had anything surgery or cut on my body before. This is my first time having anything surgery. So I was really tensed. I was afraid, but they kept assuring me. So this is when the doctors, the dental nurses and doctor that will assist, they are just putting on their clothes, and they kept assuring me. When they looked at my face, they found out that I was really tense. They had to like shake my BP to know if it is something I can do. And my BP was actually good. So guys, please, if you're still watching up to this moment, pray for me for quick recovery, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is when they are done like removing the wisdom tooth. At this junction, my guy is already in the surgical room with me. He was helping in capturing this moment. He wasn't in the room when they were like removing the teeth. When they were removing the teeth, I felt the pressure. It was like they are using sawdust and hammer to remove the teeth. At some point I started crying. Like, I was like, is this tooth not going to come out? My guy kept assuring that I'm fine. Just look at me looking like someone that is dead already. Anyways, we are done. They are done stitching the hole and all that. This is when the nurse is giving me direction on how to take my medicine, and also doing salt and water remedy stuff, that I shouldn't miss any of this direction. If there's any question, I should call. So when she was directing me on what to do, my guy found out that I have some bruises on my lips. So he was asking me what's that, and this is my response to him, because it wasn't easy. I don't know what they used on my mouth.
What is this?
And this is the wisdom tooth that they removed. Like this thing I'm seeing here is very big. I had to like cut it so it can come out. This thing didn't come out immediately. At some point I was like, why did I even choose to like do this? But after that, we left. They asked me to like buy ice cream so I can be taking ice cream. If you watch well, you will see the stitches, the tray that they used. This was when I was trying to like know if I'll be strong. But at this moment, the anesthesia they gave me has left my body. That's why I started feeling the pain. When I noticed that I was about to like cry out, I had to cut the camera immediately. I couldn't hold the pain. The pain is severe. Toothache pain is severe. I wouldn't even wish that on my enemy, not to talk of removing a particular teeth. Feeling is okay, but still remove. Oh my god. So we're already at home. My guy got the ice cream. They asked me because they said I need to take something cold at that particular wisdom tooth, so I won't be feeling the pain. This eating. I couldn't even open my mouth well because the stitch is still new now. It's a new wound. So I was like trying to like open my mouth to know if I will eat. My dear, it's not easy. They also advise I use cold water outside. This is when I place a cold water so my cheek won't swell up again. Yeah, this is a day after the surgical removal, and I had to like start drinking pap now. Me, I hate taking medication, so I had to like put the medicine inside pap and drink it so it won't touch my tongue. It's not easy. So guys, if you're still watching at this moment, expect more. This is episode 1. We should be doing another episode 2. Anything episode is nothing about cooking. It's going to be like daily vlog. Yeah, this is me doing the water and salt remedy. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to go and watch my previous video. If you've not subscribed, please do so. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.